Good afternoon to you all. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon for a new notification. Today we will be learning units conversion. So let us have a look. See, the heading is given units for measuring length and distance. These are some of the basic units which we use in our daily life for measuring distance and length. So let us try to understand one by one. Here we can see that our first one is 1 mile. So 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometer. Point number 2, 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Point number 3, 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Point number 4, 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Point number 5, 1 inch. 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. And point number 6 is 1 foot. 1 foot or 1 feet is same thing. The value is 30.48 centimeter. Point number 7 is 1 yard. 1 yard is equal to 0.914 meter. Let us go for another units. Here we can see that units for measuring weight. So 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg and 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Again we can see units for measuring time. These two we know very basic. 1 day is equal to 24 hours and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now let us see some units more. Here we can see units for measuring volume or capacity. Volume or capacity means simply liter. The unit is liter. Here we can see that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml and there is another unit for liter, and that is 1000 centimeter cube or 1000 cubic centimeter. So basically there is 2 units for liter. Here there is 2 important points which we need to understand because while we are going for conversion of units, at that time these 2 points will be very much required. So let us try to understand. Here we can see that 2 important points used for converting units. So let us try to understand point number 1. When we convert bigger units to smaller units, then always multiply. That means when you are going from bigger to smaller, here kilometer is bigger than meter. So when we are going from bigger to smaller, then always will multiply. And point number 2 is telling us that when we convert smaller units to bigger units, then always divide. That means here meter is smaller and kilometer is bigger. So when we are going from smaller to bigger, then we will always divide. Simply bigger to smaller then multiply, and smaller to bigger then divide. Now let us see few questions. See here, question number 1 is given. Convert 35 foot to centimeter. Convert 35 foot to centimeter. Here foot is bigger than centimeter. Foot is bigger than centimeter. So we are going from bigger to smaller. So what we will do? We'll multiply. Bigger to smaller means multiply. So we know the value of 1 foot is 30.48 centimeter. Therefore the value for 35 foot equal to 35 into 30.48 centimeter. If you multiply these two, you'll get the answer. So here 35 foot equal to this much centimeter. If 1 foot equal to this much centimeter, then 35 foot equal to this much centimeter. I hope you understand. Here question number 2 is telling us convert 50 centimeter into inches. This time we are going from smaller to bigger. Here centimeter is smaller than inches, so inch. So we are going from smaller to bigger. So this time we'll divide. So we know the value of 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So 50 centimeter equal to 50 by 2.54 centimeter. So if you divide this ratio, you will get 19.68 inches. Question number 3 is telling us convert 300 seconds to minutes. We know seconds is smaller than minute, so we'll divide. Because we are going from smaller to bigger, then we'll simply divide. So we know 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 300 seconds equal to 300 by 60. So the answer is 5 minutes. Let us see one more example. Here we can see that convert 20 km per hour to meter per second. That means this time also we are going from bigger to smaller. So we'll multiply, simply multiply. We know 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minute into 60 seconds. So if you multiply 16 to 60, you will get 3600 seconds. So simply put the value 20 into going from kilometer to meter, so we'll multiply by 1000, and we are going from hours to second, will multiply by 3600 seconds. So if you calculate this ratio, you'll get 5.5 meter per second. I hope you understand. If you like my channel, then please subscribe it, share it, comment on it. Thank you very much.